Hi everyone, welcome to Masoomi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English sentences with animation. Let's get started.
What sizes do you have for this sweater? What sizes do you have for this sweater?
I need a medium size for these trousers. I need a medium size for these trousers.
I check the size label on the jacket. I check the size label on the jacket.
Do you have this shirt in a small size? Do you have this shirt in a small size? Yes, we do. Follow me.
This dress is too big. I need a smaller one. This dress is too big. I need a smaller one.
What is the largest shoe size you have? What is the largest shoe size you have?
I am sorry. This size is not available. I am sorry. This size is not available.
Can you order my size for me, please?
Can
You order my size for me, please?
I use the size chart to find my size? I use the size chart to find my size.
I found the right size. I am very happy. I found the right size. I am very happy.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.